Hello everyone, let's talk about secure seal tester calibration and maintenance tips for accurate results. To ensure the quality and safety of your liquid filled bottles, accuracy in seal testing is crucial. That's why proper calibration and maintenance of your secure seal tester is not just recommended, it's essential. Why calibration matters? Calibrations ensure your secure seal tester delivers reliable and repeatable results. Calibration ensure your secure seal tester delivers reliable and repeatable results. Over time, sensor and pressure gauges can drift, leading to false pass or fail reading. A miscalibrated tester can compromise your product quality and your brand reputation. How often should you calibrate? For most production environments, calibration should be performed at least once every 6 months. However, if your lab experiences frequent testing cycles, temperature variations, or transportation vibrations, consider quarterly or even monthly checks. Calibration tips for accurate performance. Here are key tips for accurate calibration. Use certified calibration equipment traceable to national standards. Zero the gauge before starting any calibration. Apply known pressure increments and verify the readings. Record the deviation and adjust settings accordingly. Document all calibration activities for audit trails. Maintenance checklist. Regular maintenance is just as important as calibration. Follow this quick maintenance checklist. Inspect seals, O-rings and fittings for wear or cracks. Clean the pressure chamber regularly to avoid residue buildup. Ensure the air regulator and pressure lines are leak-free. Keep the digital interface and touch buttons free from dust and lubricate moving parts if recommended by the manufacturer. Sign your tester needs servicing. Watch out for these warning signs. Fluctuation or inconsistent pressure readings, test results that vary widely without changes in product, audible air leaks or pressure loss during a test, and software or display malfunctions. If you notice any of these, stop testing and schedule servicing immediately.